Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm doing a really fun look. This makeup look was inspired by Rihanna at the Met Gala. Her dress was gorgeous, her headpiece was magnificent. I loved her look and I especially loved her makeup, so I wanted to recreate it here on my channel. Now this look isn't something I would typically go for. It's out of my comfort zone, and that's even more reason why I wanted to create it, and I think it came out pretty good. Now I didn't fully commit to this one because I was not about to bleach my eyebrows, but I lightened them to the best of my ability. I feel like it came out pretty close to the look Rihanna had. The only thing I'm missing is that headpiece. You know, if I had one, I would put it on for this video. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this look. I hope you enjoy it, and if you wanna see how to get this Rihanna inspired look, then please keep watching.
I'm starting out with my primer. This is NYX's Angel Veil Primer. I'm just going to apply that all over the skin. I'm going to go in with the second primer. This is the Tarte Clean Slate Primer, and I'm going to apply that just on my T-zone. I'm going to take a small amount, like a pea-sized amount, and warm it up between my fingers and then just press it into the skin. I've used this primer a bunch of times, and you guys, I have to be honest, I don't really love it. I use it just to help control oils and kind of minimize pores, but I don't see that it's really doing anything for me. Moving on to foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and these L'Oreal Glow Drops. I believe I'm in the color 334 Warm Sun for the foundation, and in the Glow Drops, I'm in 508. Now for the fun part, I'm going to lighten up my brows with some eyeshadow. This one is called Uninterrupted by MAC. Now I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, guys, because I've never really lightened my brows before with any products. So I was just kind of feeling my way through, and I think the brows turned out pretty good. I was not about to bleach my real brows. So here I'm going in with a little bit of concealer and just cleaning up under the brows. And I'm just blending it out with a blending brush. See, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Next, this may seem a little weird, but I'm gonna go in with this yellow eyeshadow from Colourpop. And I'm just gonna apply that right over everything, and it lightens them up just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go with concealer. This is my Tarte Tape Shape in the color medium. I normally use the color tan, so this is super light for me because I felt like Rihanna's under eyes were really, really light. She really had a nice highlighted contoured effect going on. Just gonna blend all of that out with my damp beauty blender. I'm gonna speed through this because you guys have seen me do this so many times. And I'm gonna carry that concealer up onto my eyelid to use as my primer today. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Cream Contour Kit. I'm gonna mix all three contour shades and contour my cheekbones, forehead and jawline, and also my nose. Blending that out with my damp beauty blender as well. I will say one of my favorite tools to use is the beauty blender. It really is multi-purpose, and I cannot find a dupe for a beauty blender. It's just nothing like it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. I'm going to set under my eyes, my forehead and chin as well. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Sephora's MicroSmooth powder in the color Hazelnut. I heard they're discontinuing this, guys. It makes me so very sad. I love this powder, and it's a pretty affordable price. I'm going to bronze my cheekbones and my chin with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep 4. And Rihanna's skin was really bronzy, so I piled on the bronzer, you guys. But the picture I was using definitely showed tons of bronzer on Rihanna's skin, in my opinion. I'm not going to do any contour powder. I'm going to go straight into eyes. I'm using this Tarte eyeshadow palette. This was from a Christmas palette a couple years back. I'm not sure if you can still get your hands on it, but I'm going to take this light mauve purple color here and add it to my crease. Next, I'm going to take this purple color, which is a little bit darker, and apply it to the crease right below the first color we laid down. And I just like to pack the color on first and then go in with windshield wiper and circular motions to blend it all out. For the final transition color, I'm going to take this deeper, darker purple here from the same palette and apply it right on the crease and a little bit on the eyelid as well. To me, it looked like Rihanna had a purple smoky eye going on and then just a little bit of color right on the lid. So I'm using that dark purple just to deepen it up a little bit and make it a little bit more dramatic. And I'm going back in with my second blending brush that I use and blending over everything just to get rid of any harsh lines that I may have. The lid color, I'm going to take this silver color here from the same palette. I'm going to spray my brush with a little Fix Plus and then apply it right onto the lid. Going to do the same thing to the other eye, of course. The good thing about this look, you guys, I really only use one eyeshadow palette. I just realized that. Next, I'm going back in with a blending brush and just blending over the silver and the purple to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take that medium purple, the second one we used, and apply it to the lower lash line. Rihanna didn't really have a lot going on the lower lash line, so this was all I did to mine. Going to go in with lashes. This is Frosting by Cakefacebeauty, and I'm using Duo Glue. For blush, I'm going to take this one here from the e.l.f. palette. This is their dark blush palette, and I'm going to apply that right on the cheeks. And I went a little heavier with the blush because Rihanna's cheeks really had a lot of blush going on and a lot of bronzer. Okay, at this point, I was kind of feeling the look, guys, even though it's not my typical look that I go for. Next, I'm going to take the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use that purple color, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone, inner tear ducts, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Rihanna also had a lot of highlight going on, and it was not a gold highlight. It was a really fun, like pinky purple highlight. So this Aurora Glow Kit was perfect for that. I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus before I highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with the same glow kit, and I'm going to mix these two shades here and apply it to my cheekbones. So I'm just piling on the highlighter, guys. I mean, I can't get enough. I'm addicted. For some reason, I forgot to show it, but for lipstick, I'm using a Wetnwild Mega Last lip color in the color Dollhouse Pink. And I'm just applying it with the e.l.f. brush. Normally, I don't go for these hot pink lipsticks because they tend to make the teeth look more yellow, and I don't like that. So I will say I did like this look, but once I put the lips on, I was like, yeah, not my cup of tea. And then also, I forgot to show the gloss, but I'm wearing Fenty Beauty Gloss in the color Spacesuit.
Okay guys, so that completes this Rihanna Met Gala inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is twice a week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!